In lecture 4 of probability distribution, I have discussed random variables, discrete random variables, probability mass function and properties of PMF, mean and variance of discrete random variable. In lecture 5 of probability distribution, I am going to discuss on distribution function, properties of distribution function. What is distribution function? The distribution function of a random variable x, which is discrete, is fx equals to probability at x equals to x and greater than minus infinity, where x less than infinity greater than minus infinity. If x less than xk plus 1 greater than xk, then fx equals to probability at x equals to x0 plus probability at x equals to x1 plus up to probability at x equals to xk, which is equals to sum over I equals to 0 to k pxk. Properties of distribution function. Property number 1. The distribution function of fx is a monotonic non-decreasing function. Look at the diagram. Here you can see that it is monotonic non-decreasing function. Property number 2. At minus infinity, the distribution function is 0, and at plus infinity, the distribution function is 1. Look in left hand side, for x tends to infinity fx is 0, and look at here at the top corner, x tends to infinity fx is 1, and fx is always less equals to 1 greater equals to 0. So you look here, lies between 0 to 1. Property number 3. Fx is continuous on the right at all points and has a jump discontinuity on the left at x equals to a. The height of jump equal to probability at x equals to a, that is, limit x tends to a plus fx equals to fa, and fa minus limit x tends to a minus fx equals to probability at x equals to a. So look at the diagram. Here you see that at the right of a, fx is always continuous, and at the left there is a jump discontinuity. Okay, so at the right, look here, this is the height of the jump of discontinuity that you can find by this limit x tends to a plus fx equals to fa. Okay, so you see here that x tends to a plus, here always it is fa. Okay, always it is fa, and in the left hand side, fa minus limit x tends to a minus fx equals to probability at x equals to a. So you look this much probability at x equals to a, this much. Here it is a means x1, here a means x2. Okay, here a means xk. So in this case, this one will be fx1, this one will be fx2. Here means this much, this much, this much, this much. Okay, maximum it can go up to 1. Number 4, suppose a and b are any two real numbers such that a less than b, then probability at x equals to b, x greater than a equals to fb minus fa. Probability of x less than b greater than a equals to fb minus fa minus probability at x equals to b. Probability x less than b, x greater equals to a is fb minus fa minus probability at x equals to b plus probability at x equals to a. Here is a question number 1. A random variable x has the following probability distribution function. X takes the values -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and these are the corresponding probabilities. This sum we have solved from 1 to 3 in lecture 4. Now we are going to solve question number 4, that is, determine the distribution function fx of a random variable x, which has appeared in MAKAUT exam 2005. Okay, so let us find the interval. Look here, x starting from minus infinity up to minus 2 or less than, not up to, less than minus 2, no value is given, so it is 0. And from minus 2 to minus 1, look at minus 2, it is 0.1 and less than minus 1, 0.1. So we can write the distribution function according to this as 0 plus the previous one, this is 0 for this interval, plus for this interval it is 0 0.1, 0 plus 0 0.1, so it is 1 by 10. Next interval is from minus 1 to 0. So x less than 0 greater equals to minus 1. Look here, the left side is closed and the right side is open. So here at minus 1 and less than 0 at minus 1, so up to k. So the previous one is 0, then next one is 0 0.1, then at x equals to minus 1 is k. So previous one is 1 by 10 plus here k value already we found in lecture 4, that was 1 by 15. So 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 is 1 by 6. Now if you put 1 by 15 directly in fraction form, then you are getting 1 by 6. But if you put 0.06, you are getting 0.16. A little round of error will be there. Next interval is 0 to 1. Okay, for 0 to 1 the distribution function is, so you have to take up to 0. So the previous one you can write all of this, 0 plus 0 0.1 plus k plus 0 0.2, so up to 0. Okay, less than 1, so you should not take for 1. Less than 1 means 0, so you have to take up to 0. And this much from 0 to k, this much already the calculation is there, 1 by 6 and plus, and this is for 2 by 10. 2 by 10 is 1 by 5, so it is 11 by 30. And the very next interval is 1 to 2, 1 to 2, okay, where x greater equals to 1 and less than 2. So you should not take for 2, but less than 2, that is for 1. So it is up to 2k, so let us take up to 2k, and up to 0.2 our calculation is 11 by 30 plus for 2k, k is 1 by 15, so 2 by 15, and after calculation we are getting half. Okay, and then the next interval is 2 to 3. Okay, 2 to 3 similarly we can find, and that is 4 by 5. And the last interval is 3 to infinity, where the right side, look, that is the open interval and the left side is the closed interval, that is closed one, that is x greater equals to 3. So less than infinity means you have to take 3 only. So up to 3 it is 3k added. Okay, so the previous one was 4 by 5 plus for 3k 3 by 15, so it is 15 by 15, that is 1. So for the last interval you must get 1. If you are not getting 1, then you will think that there must be some calculation problem in your sum. Or if you are getting 0.999 or 0.9, then also your question is the answer is correct. Okay. So here let us write the distribution function for all the intervals in this way. So that is your required answer. Next is one question. The distribution function fx of a random variable x is defined as follows. So here all the values of distribution function given in constant forms. You have to find this. You have to determine the values of A, B, C, D. This question appeared 2002, 2004. So you will try this question yourself. Then question number 3, this question number 1 and question number 2 already we have discussed in lecture 4. So question number 3 you will do now. And look, this question has appeared so many times in MAKAUT exam. Question number 4. So question number 4, A, C and D you have already solved in lecture 4. So today you will do number B. Okay. So here books you may follow. Next lecture on multinomial distribution.